Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the MIUI 11 update for the Redmi K20 Pro. So Redmi K20 Pro has also received the MIUI 11 update. So we have talked about the MIUI 11 update for the Poco F1 as well as the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Now we have the MIUI 11 for the Redmi K20 Pro as well. Now unlike the Poco F1 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro, the MIUI 11 on the K20 Pro has some additional features. So that's what we are going to talk about in this video. So right now you can see that the Redmi K20 Pro which we have right now is running MIUI 11, and here you can also see that this MIUI 11 is on top of Android 10. So that's something which is quite different from the Poco F1 as well as the Redmi Note 7 Pro which had Android 9.0. Here we have Android 10. That's one important change. Now let's go to the options. So looking at the connection and security, so here also we have the Mi Share application, so you can share with the Xiaomi, Vivo, Realme and Oppo devices with really blazing speeds. So that's one important feature. Now there is also the dark mode included. So if you go to the display settings, you can see that the dark mode included here as well. So you can schedule the dark mode in case you want to have dark mode included. Now another important feature is you can see that ambient display and lock screen. So just select this option. Here we have a few important changes. One is that you can customize the style for the ambient display. So select this and you can see that a lot of options are included. You can see analog clocks, digital clocks. You can have your own signature. You can set here, you can type whatever signature you want. You can have different layouts for these. So these are some really useful options. You can customize them. You can select the color theme for the text, and a lot of things can be done with the signature. Then you can also select backgrounds. So some useful backgrounds are also included. So there are lots of options to customize the ambient display settings. So you can go with the clock as well as digital or even text. Then another important thing is that when notification comes and the screen is off, that's an important feature. So select the animations. So you can see that there are 3 animations available. So one is just light up the display just like the normal one. Then we have the rhythm. So you can see that on either side of the device you can see that the rhythm notification. So this is the rhythm notification. Then you can see that the pulse notification, this is another one. This is red in color, the pulse notification on either side of the device. This is something called as breathe lighting. That's what breathing light is, something Xiaomi claims. So this is quite similar to the edge lighting on Samsung devices or the horizon lighting on the OnePlus devices. You also have the star light option. So this is another edge lighting option. So this is one important change with respect to the Redmi K20 Pro. This is available only on AMOLED displays, which means this is available in India for Redmi K20 Pro and the Redmi K20, and other devices like the Mi flagship devices will also get this, like the Mi 9. So but then those devices are not available in India. So in India you get this for the Redmi K20 and the K20 Pro. Now let's see additional options. So again you also get the option to set the video wallpaper. So just go to the applications, then you can select any video here. So we'll just go here and you can select this video and click here and you can set the video wallpaper. So this feature is also available on the Redmi K20 Pro. Now apart from that you also get the new calculator app. So we have talked about that. The new calculator app has this toggling option to minimize. So you can see that you can toggle and minimize the calculator on top of other applications. So you can just move this around. This is something new. And in the finance option you can see there is also GST calculations included. So that's something which is new. Now if you go to the Notes app, so Notes app has 2 options. One is Notes, and then you also get this task integrated. So now task is integrated with the Notes, and you can see that you get the task. You can create a new task. You can also create voice task. You can set reminders. So these things can be done without the third-party application. So you can do that on the MIUI 11 without having to use third-party applications. So these are some highlighting options for the MIUI 11 with the Redmi K20 Pro. So the highlight feature is the dark mode, which is now available. Then you get the video wallpaper, then new applications improvements, and also the ambient display has been improved. There is also new feature called breathe lighting, and a host of new features are included with the MIUI 11 on the Redmi K20 Pro. So that was a quick video on the new features of the Redmi K20 Pro with the MIUI 11. Remember, this is on top of Android 10, unlike Android 9 on the Poco F1 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.